Hi traders, welcome to my 2-minute trading tip of the week, and today we're going to be talking about the power of the 200 period moving average. Now, let's get 2 minutes on the clock and let's get into this right now. Boom! Hi traders, as you can see, very nice trading day for me today, over $6,000 before lunch. Just want to point out my trading tip of the day for you. It revolves around the 200 period moving average. Take a look at how powerful this simple moving average is. Microsoft comes down to its 200 period moving average and has a huge multi-leg bounce off the 200. It revisits the 200 again and has yet another very powerful bounce off the 200 period moving average. You must respect the 200 period moving average. We see the same scenario here with PayPal coming down toward its 200 period moving average and experiencing an explosive move off of its 200 period moving average. You must respect the 200 period moving average. Here is Twitter's drop from its powerful 200 period moving average. You must respect the 200 period moving average. Here is Netflix's multiple decline from its 200 period moving average. Decline from its 200 period moving average. Again, decline from its 200 period moving average. Again, decline from its 200 period moving average. Again, decline from its 200 period moving average area. You must respect the 200 period moving average. Here it is in X today. Its major decline from its 200 period moving average. You must respect the 200 period moving average on both sides. Hi traders, and there you have it. I can't believe I did it, but I did it. 2-minute trading tip of the week, the 200 simple period moving average. Respect it when it is support underneath the stock, and respect it when it is resistance above the stock. There's many more of these to come, guys. If you liked the value you received in this video, I want you to smash that like button and make sure you subscribe and turn notifications on. We've got the best thing in trading on YouTube. All right, see you in the next one. Boom!